Hello everyone, Sam again here, welcome back. So today we are going to learn praise, how to play the praises songs. Somebody requested how to do that. So first of all, the setting. The setting, I'm using -3 by the way. But now let's see the sequences of how to do so, and it depends with the tempo. For example, my beat here, it goes like this. So in my right hand, the same way, for example, with beat, so that's the roots, okay? We follow that. A lot of songs you can play there, all right? Now let's try to add something like to move a hand a little bit. So you can start like this. I play like this, if you have seen. So you can play like that, like. Alright, so my right hand I'm placing like this. Again, you repeat the upper F sharp, the upper B, the upper F sharp, and C sharp major. Alright, now let's play the down one. The down one you can play like this. Alright, so I'm just placing. Again. Just like that, as simple as that. And remember that you're pressing these keys while you are waiting somebody to sing a song. Let's see one last example. The transition can start like this. You can play like that, no problem. You can do that. And also, now for example, let's play a song. Let's play the old song, the one that we used to play before. Hakuna Mungu kama wewe Bwana. Alright, let's play the beat. add your own stops while you are pressing the roots. So the roots of this song you can play. Hakuna Mungu kama wewe Bwana. Hakuna Mungu kama wewe Bwana. Unaweza Hakuna Mungu kama wewe Bwana. That's the secret. When you know the roots of the song, you can play even the upper keys. Alright? That's how we play the songs like that, guys. I hope you get something. And if you have a request, just mention the song that you want us to do. Alright? When you are specific, you want us to learn something and a specific song, we can learn from that angle. I'll see you guys again in the next one. Very goodbye.